video. Today we're going to be making an origami parrot. Woo woo, that's going to be tricky for me.
I'm lucky that I know how to make it, don't I?
Yeah. This is very simple. So you need an A4 piece of normal paper, A4 normal paper.
You grab one of the corners like that. You fold it over to make a triangle-ish top, but make sure one end is pointy and the rest are not.
Like this.
But if it's not neat, it's fine.
So I have a triangle. Now I'm going to try to cut it.
Yeah, you have to cut the bottom off because we do not need the bottom. And make sure not to make it wrinkly and bumpy because I'll just mess up it a little bit.
Oh, I messed up a little bit. Timmy! I want to make it small.
Okay.
Done.
Can I have the scissors, please?
Yeah.
Scissors and a triangle. Now I fold it. It's a square.
I don't think it's very neat. So my triangle's plain and boring.
I've got a square.
I'm gonna decorate
It's a square and then a
it.
triangle. Then you can see the line through the middle, so she folded it.
Yeah.
You grab these two sides and you try to fold it inwards to make there a point on the top.
No, like this.
What if this?
Oh, I was doing the other side.
Like that, okay?
Uh-huh. That's kind of tricky, guys. This is gonna be tricky for me.
Yeah. So like that. Then you open it.
Wait for me, please.
Okay, I'll wait. Oh look, that's some dolls.
Yeah.
They're just gonna judge us.
Is that good?
Who can make the best
Is
parrot?
that good?
Yeah.
Because it has a hole in it.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the next step now,
The
me?
next step is to open it.
Okay. And do the other
Flip it
side.
round and then do the other side like this.
This is very tricky for me.
Yeah.
I need to learn how to do this, but
Yeah, I'll teach you after the video. Actually, I'm teaching you right now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then do the other side like the one you
I'm not
done the other.
done. It's tricky. Can you help?
Okay.
Guys, I can't.
We just have to
one
push this a little
step.
bit forward. Okay?
Okay.
Now try to do this one. Guys, look how pretty this looks. Like a diamond.
Guys, do you think this neat?
Oh guys, look, this kind of looks like a diamond as well.
Let me see.
Like when you fold these two, it makes a diamond.
Wait, should we do that?
No, it's not part of the steps.
So let me lower the light a little bit.
So to me that's fine. So you open them again. Then you see these two bits. You fold these lines, these three lines. You fold it inwards like this.
I can't find it.
You can't find it. Well, you did it. See? You fold it inwards like this. You hold it, and then you find the tip, and you make it sharp, like that. To make it like a triangle. Then fold it down, like that.
Like that.
Yeah. Now put it down like that. Perfect. Now the same with the other side.
I forgot how to do it.
You forgot? Oh. So to me, you grab these two, you push them to the point, like that, and then you tip the pointy. So after when you finish doing the points, I'm talking about triangles a lot, but you have to make a triangle on the left sides, like this. Timmy, I'm waiting for you.
Because I can't do it neat.
It doesn't matter if you do it neat.
But I want my parrot to look good.
Okay, Timmy, you finished that, so now you're on this level, okay?
But how about the other one? It's not the same. You're going to do this. Like that.
Now, let me finish this part first.
Hi guys! Make sure to subscribe and like the video.
Hi, my name's Camille. How do you like my hair? Naomi did it for me. She's a hairstylist. She's the best in the business.
Okay. Weird, awkward. When you just sit down.
So, they just had a judgment. So now, these two, we have to fold it like that. So it can equal a long triangle like this. It doesn't matter if this end is straight or not straight. It just doesn't really matter.
I want to make it neat.
Yeah. So after that, you grab the top corner, but leave these three like left. And then you fold it inwards like that.
Like this.
Yeah.
Wait, no, like that.
No, not like that. I told you to close it like this, and then fold it like that.
Okay. That's hard for me.
And when we fold both sides, it will be the tail. I'm just gonna fold my ugly side like this.
Should we do this? The back.
The back. Oh yeah, we have to do both sides like that. Okay.
Okay.
This kind of looks really weird.
Yeah, and then I guess
Guys,
you
just
fold that
look.
like that. I guess you fold it like that.
No. To me, you see? Does it look nice? Guys, does this look like anything?
It looks like a shark to me. Like,
So now, guys, you put your thumb in between there like that, and then you fold it forward. Then you press the top to equal the head. Like that. Like that.
I can't do it. You help me with the tail.
Okay.
Oh.
Thumb press.
Hi guys. I'm Lily.
Timmy, see?
Oh, that's good.
Yes, Timmy made it. Come on. Now, I told you at the beginning, these were going to be the judges of who made the best parrot.
She's gonna be a judge.
Who wants to be the judge? Three people actually are putting their hands up. Guys, who do you think? Okay, and I'm gonna pick her. Okay, guys, you have a little talk about who's the winner, okay? Okay, we come to a decision.
It's going to be
Timmy! Because she had the nice beak on the pointy bit.
I think that we should win.
Why? You had the best.
Well,
Maybe you should both win.
okay.
Guys, these were our finished ones. And guys, this is what it meant to look like. Who do you think looks more similar to it? Comment down below which one looks more similar. Timmy, turn it. Like that. Who do you think looks more similar?
Bye.
Bye.